What if I told you, you don't need expensive English courses. You don't need to memorize thousands of vocabulary words. You don't need perfect grammar. And you definitely don't need a foreign accent to speak fluent English. 6 months ago, I couldn't even speak one sentence in English. I was scared, embarrassed, and I thought English fluency was only for talented people. But today, I can confidently communicate in English. If I can do it, I truly believe you can too. And that's exactly why I created this channel. Hi everyone and welcome. I'm so happy you're here. I created this channel because I know exactly how it feels to struggle with English. I know the frustration. I know the fear of making mistakes. I know what it feels like when everyone seems to be improving except you. I don't want you to feel alone in this journey. On this channel, I'll share everything that helped me improve my English speaking naturally. No boring lectures. No unnecessary grammar overload. Just practical methods that actually work in real life. My goal is simple. I want you to become confident in English. And yes, I believe you can become fluent in the next 6 months if you stay consistent. My story, let me tell you where I started. I couldn't speak English, not even a single word confidently. I could understand a little, but speaking? Impossible. Writing was difficult. Grammar confused me. I always forgot tenses. Whenever I memorized vocabulary lists, a few days later, everything disappeared from my mind. I wanted to join English courses, but honestly, most courses were too expensive. The teachers spoke so fast. The classes felt boring. The videos were too long. Sometimes I watched for hours, but I still couldn't speak. I even tried copying a foreign accent, but it never felt natural. Every day, I felt like giving up. Maybe English wasn't for me. Maybe I wasn't smart enough. But then, one small piece of advice, the routine that changed everything. I decided to give English just 45 minutes every day. Not 5 hours, not 10 hours, just 45 focused minutes. 30 minutes, input listening. I listened to English every single day. Podcasts, conversations, videos, stories. Not to understand every word, but to train my ears. This is called language input. And it's incredibly powerful. 15 minutes output, speaking, reading, and writing. Then I spent 15 minutes creating English. I spoke. I read. I wrote. Even if my sentences were wrong. Even if I made mistakes. Because language grows when you use it, not when you only study it. My daily practice. Little by little, I added more habits. Every morning, I practiced shadowing. I repeated what native speakers said. I copied their rhythm, their pronunciation, their confidence. Then I practiced mirror speaking. I stood in front of the mirror. At first it felt strange. But after a few weeks, I became more confident. During the day, I started thinking in English, even simple thoughts. What should I eat? I'm going to school. This weather is beautiful. Instead of translating everything, I trained my brain to think directly in English. I also practiced expressing my ideas on random topics. I talked with AI in English. Whenever I made mistakes, AI corrected me without judging me. At night, I reflected on my day. I asked myself, what did I learn today? Then I spent just 5 minutes writing a small journal in English. Nothing perfect, just honest. And those tiny habits slowly changed everything. The biggest lesson I learned. The biggest problem wasn't grammar. It wasn't vocabulary. It wasn't pronunciation. It was fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of being judged. Fear of speaking. The day I stopped worrying about mistakes, my English started improving much faster. Remember this. Children make thousands of mistakes before speaking their first language. Nobody laughs at them because mistakes are part of learning. So why should we be ashamed of making mistakes while learning English? Mistakes don't mean you're failing. They mean you're learning. Confidence matters more than perfection. You don't need perfect English. You need confidence. Confidence comes from practice. Practice creates improvement. Improvement creates fluency. It's that simple. So don't compare yourself to anyone else. Compare yourself to the person you were yesterday. Even one new sentence every day is progress. My promise to you, on this channel, I'll share everything I learn, every trick, every practice method, every speaking exercise, every AI tool, every confidence-building technique. We'll improve together. No pressure, no judgment. Just one step every day. Because learning English isn't a race. It's a journey. And now, we're starting this journey together. Ending. Thank you so much for watching my very first video. If my story gave you even a little hope, please subscribe to this channel and become part of this beautiful community. In the next video, I'll share the exact daily routine that helped me improve my English step by step, along with practical exercises that you can start today. Until then, believe in yourself. Be kind to yourself. Support others on their journey. Celebrate every small improvement. And never stop learning. I'll see you in the next video.
Take care. Bye.